Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Need those snips again. There we go, on to the next piece. Eight and a quarter, 36 wide, 5 3/4. This is where we're going to put this top front, which is the Z metal. I'm going to show you a couple of tricks when it comes to getting angles. In this case, I'm going to hold it up.
Hey. Phil.
In this case, I push this up here, and I look up here, and the bottom is hitting before the top. And it can be the top hitting before the bottom. And the difference is, and you can measure it, it can be, in this case, it's going to be 1/2 inch. So what I'm going to do is take this back down. Since there was a gap at the top, we're going to cut out off the bottom at an angle to that top. Then I'm going to put it back up, and then I'm going to go over here to this post. It's going to be another angle cut, and I can eyeball that. When you cut this Z channel, you're going to cut the top and the front there. Open it up so that you can cut across again. That should allow us, we have that screws and the screw gun over here, to fit right in there. Battery's dead.
I'll get one.
All right, there we go. I need another piece of. You may want to do inside corners and outside corners for sure. You will do if you end up doing more of the top front. I personally think that that looks pretty good. But anyway, if you wanted to do an inside corner, kind of handy to make a straight edge. So you would take and mark it with a speed square. That allows you to square off things in a small way. Now,
Now Swanson makes those, Irwin makes those, Stanley makes a speed square.
Nobody's paying us to tell you that either.
You can basically go to any Walmart hardware store and pick up a speed square for less than $10.
Okay, now we're cutting across all the way to that mark, just to give you an idea. Then I'm going over here. Well, that's on the inside. Usually what I have to do is I have to cut the front a little bit through that hem, that doubled up edge right there, but not a lot, just to encourage it to bend. That would be your inside corner. You straighten up your edges a little bit. There's your inside corner. Now an outside corner. Take that speed square, I'm marking it up here, down here. There's my mark. That mark will probably should be transferred to this front corner at the top. But we're gonna cut over here an inch, over here an inch, inch and a quarter here. Straight down, and then we're gonna fold this so I can get the snips in there. Right over to that point. This is where it gets difficult. We're going to encourage it at the bottom again when we made that mark, cut through the hem. There is an outside corner. Just that simple.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the finished product looks like of the metal underpinning that we just did. That's the whole backside of the porch and the walk ramp. J-channel and top cover.
Now we're going to show you how to put the top front. This will be the top back. This is the top front back on. In this case, I have a ground wire for the cable that we'll end up having to have a cut on it. So we'll put it up here temporarily. See where we need to put that cut. Cold weather is going to make it hard to cut this stuff without breaking it, so you might want to decide not to do it in cold weather. All right. Now you can put this stuff in with just your hands. But personally, my experience is if I just put my hands in place where it is, it can be anywhere up here, all the way down, and I just use my legs. Keeps everything steady. Lift up with your legs. It's up to you.
Then you get pieces that want to do that.
He had to go forwards a little bit on that side. You notice how that's notched right there? And it's notched up inside here too. That's so the next piece can go over the top of it and snap in. So we're going to go behind this one.
Let me show the notch.
See the notch? And over the top of this one. Sometimes you have to pull these out and snap it inside that groove. But there's the finished product. We'll go to the front, we'll show some more. Alright, we're around the corner, other side of the fence. We'll put this thing back together. we'll slip it in behind that. Got to keep this corner here up underneath the top back.